symbol AEPP, currently traded at 0.136. I could have sworn that we went through this like I was just saying, but looking back in the chart, I don't see anything written down. So we'll just go ahead and act like this is a new chart here. Currently traded right now at 867,000 shares at 0.136. You guys have a nice, strong day coming off here. The first time the chart's been bullish here since the 24th of February. Really starting to line up here. There is a gap down here that I'm watching, but I will definitely say to keep an eye on this one. I mean, it's made moves like this over here that didn't amount to nothing and just couldn't make it through that 0.147 area. AEPP, I would definitely put this one on your radar, guys. Nothing to jump up and down about just yet, but the fact that you're going to probably have a record volume day, bringing you all back to December of 2016, and that day you had 25 million. You guys might be the biggest day that you've had since, if you clear February 28th. So if you go over, if you get another 100,000 shares traded, it's going to be the biggest volume day that you've had since February 28th. And then before that, going to be January. So not many. You guys can definitely clear that. Keep an eye on this. Watch for a break of the 0.147. You guys break that 0.147, and I mean break it, get through it. Could be setting up for a run. In my personal opinion, something's up here, and I'll hand it over to Joe.
Yeah. Yeah, that was definitely not enough time for me to go and look into all this. There's a scheduled 14F1 over here, so I was just kind of pulling it up and reading it. It was from March 7th. I was reading it, and that's pretty much that. It's on security. I wanted to know what was going on with it, but I mean, for me to go and pull up and read it all like that quick, it's just too much. All right, so other than that, let's see the press releases. The latest press release I'm seeing was over on December 14th. I mean, since then, I see that they went up to QB, and that's since then, like January 17th, they got the OTC QB certification. Okay, let me do this. Okay, I guess. All right, so they. You know what? There's way too much over here on this company for me to like pull up, because right here on the February 14th, there was an 8K on February 10th, 2017. Loop Yip Joy position as president was terminated. So obviously, I don't know. So that's something else right there. I mean, there's so many different things going on with this company. This is the kind of one that you obviously want to go and like do some due diligence on, especially if you're interested in it. It's a QB. You know, they're up 70% right now. Go read that the SC14F F1, obviously. I mean, that right there, and then all the 8Ks. There's obviously a new management in town. So that's pretty much that. If you want to continue on with your research, and I'm sorry I couldn't really pull up anything that fast, I guess, with this one. It's AEPP. Just type that in the right-hand corner. From there, you can go see the recent filings in the financials, the company profile. And if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily by posting up on the message board over here on Investors Hangout.
All right, AEPP over here again for the chart 0.136. Watch for a break at 0.147. Might be setting up here, in my opinion. Resistance at 0.136, 0.147. Support at 0.120, 0.99, and 0.080. If you're following the stock, if you're watching this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. We'd appreciate that very much. If you have a hot stock that you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.